Hello everyone, today we're looking at the two ways you can use DBT, core and cloud. While they both do the same basic job of transforming data, they work in very different ways. Choosing the right one depends on your team's skill and your budget. DBT Core is the open source version of the tool. It's free to use, which makes it very popular for teams starting out. You run it through a command line interface. This means there's no website to click through. Instead, you type commands directly into your computer to run your data models. Because it's open source, you have total control. However, you're responsible for everything. You have to host it yourself, set it up your own security, and find a way to schedule your jobs. Most people use extra tools like Airflow to make this work. It's powerful, but it requires a lot of manual setup and technical knowledge. DBT Cloud is the hosted version of the tool. It's a paid service where the DBT team handles the technical side for you. You get a clean website where you can write code, run jobs, and see your data health all in one place. It includes a built-in scheduler, so you don't need outside tools to keep your data fresh. It also has better security features and makes it much easier for teams to work together. You don't need to worry about servers or updates because it's all managed in the cloud. The main difference is convenience. Core is free but takes a lot of time to manage. Need an engineer who knows how to handle servers. Cloud costs money but saves you time. It lets your analysts focus on data instead of fixing infrastructure. If you want full control and have technical skills, Core is great. If you want to get moving quickly without the headache of maintenance, Cloud is the way to go. Both will help you build better data pipelines. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.